Hello everyone and welcome back to SAP Finance Lab. In today's video, I'm going to talk about GL accounts in SAP. It's one of the most important building blocks in SAP financial accounting. By the end of this video, you will understand what a GL account is, the account types available in SAP, the key fields you need to configure, and finally, I'll show you step by step how to create a GL account in SAP. So let's dive in. First, what is a GL account? A general ledger account is where SAP records business transactions. Every posting, whether it's coming from accounts receivable, accounts payable, or assets, or directly in finance, eventually flows into a GL account. Think of the general ledger as the complete financial picture of a company, and GL accounts are the individual pages in that picture. In SAP, when you create a GL account, you have to assign it to an account type. These determine how the account behaves. The main ones are balance sheet accounts, which are used for assets, liabilities, and equity. Non-operating expenses or income, which are used for the items that are not related to the day-to-day business activities. Primary cost or revenue. These accounts link FI and CO and capture costs or revenue directly. Secondary cost, used only inside controlling for allocation, assessment, and internal posting. And finally, cash accounts, which are used for cash-related transactions like bank accounts, petty cash for cash journal. So what are the key fields in GL account master data? When creating a GL account, you maintain data at 3 levels. The first one is chart of account level, where you enter the account number, description, account group, and account type. The second level is the company code data, where you maintain currency, tax category, reconciliation account indicator, line item display, and open item management. The third one is the controlling area level, where you maintain the data related to controlling, such as the cost element category, for example 01, which is the primary cost category. These fields define how your GL account works in posting and reporting. Now let's switch into SAP and create a new GL account. So to create a GL account, go to Manage GL Account Master Data in Fiori. In this app, you can display all GL accounts created on a chart of accounts level, and also you can select chart of accounts view, company code view, or controlling area view. Now let's create a new one. Enter the GL account number which we want to create, and then select our chart of account and the account type. We are going to create it as primary cost or revenue. And then the account group. The account group controls the number range assignment and the field status for the GL accounts. So let's choose income statement accounts. And then the short text, expense account, the long text. We can also add the translations, and then go to the company code data, create a new company code assignment, select the company code, the account currency defaulted for USD, we can change it to any other currency we want, so let's leave it USD. Here we can enter our tax category. So for example, only input tax allowed, only output tax allowed, all tax types allowed. And then we go to the Create Bank Interest tab to select the field status group. Let's select all fields optional. If this account will be posted automatically only, we select this checkbox. If not, we can leave it. And then click on OK. Because this account is a primary cost or revenue account and it's also an expense account, so we will have a controlling data view. Here we select the cost element category, which is the primary cost or cost reducing revenues, and then we save our GL account. And that's how we create a GL account in SAP S/4HANA. So in today's video, we covered what a GL account is, the different types of GL accounts in SAP, the most important master data fields, and the hands-on demo of how to create a GL account in SAP. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to SAP Finance Lab for the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next time.